Hello students, my name is Amrita Chowgule. Today we learn evolution of enterprise resource planning. Evolution of enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning, that means ERP, has evolved as a strategic tool and outcome of over 4 decades. This is because of continuous improvements done to the then available techniques to manage business more efficiently and also with developments and inventions in information technology field. This is the figure shows that stages of ERP evolution. First stage of ERP evolution is material requirement planning, that is MRP. This is done in 1970s. After that in 1980s, second evolution of ERP, that is manufacturing resource planning, that is MRP2. Third stage of ERP evolution is done in 1990s, that is our subject name enterprise resource planning, and last is in 2000, that is extended ERP, in short EERP. After that enterprise resource planning 2 is evolved. At the present this evolution is present. First stage, material requirement planning, that is MRP stage. Prior to 1960s, business generally relied on traditional ways of managing inventories to ensure smooth functioning of the organizations. ERP system has evolved from the material planning system of 1980s. The various phases of development of resource planning system in relation to time and evolution of concept of ERP. Second stage, that is MRP, material requirement planning. MRP was the fundamental concept of production management and control in the mid 1970s and considered as the first stage in evolution of ERP. Assembly operations involving thousands of parts such as automobile manufacture led to large inventories. The need to bring down the large inventory levels associated with these industries led to the early MRP systems that plan the order releases. Such planned order releases ensured proper time phrasing and accurate planning of the sub-assembly items, taking into account complex sub-assembly to assembly relationship characterized by the bill of materials, that is BOM. Now third step, manufacturing resource planning 2, that is MRP2. MRP2 that addressed the entire manufacturing function and not just a single task within the manufacturing function. MRP2 systems could determine whether a given schedule of production was feasible not merely from material availability but also from other resource point of view. MRP2 systems would include production facilities, machine capacities, and precedence sequences. The increased functionality enabled MRP2 systems provided a way to run the system in a loop. First, it was used to check the feasibility of a production schedule, taking into account the constraints. Second, to adjust the loading of the resources, if possible, to meet the production schedules, and third, to plan the materials using the traditional MRP2 systems. First step, that is enterprise resource planning, ERP. The 90s saw unprecedented global competition, customer focus, and shortened product life cycles. To respond to these demands, corporations had to move towards agile, that is, quick moving manufacturing of products, continuous improvements of processes, and business processes re-engineering. This called the integration of manufacturing with other functional areas including accounting, marketing, finance, and human resource development. This figure shows the meaning of ERP. ERP, a cross-functional process that integrates the integral business that involves the functions like manufacturing, logistics, distribution, accounting, finance, human resources, and so many. Also, ERP system automates the process of a company and involves the functions as same. Vital backbone information system of the in enterprise also helps the company that achieve the efficiency, agility, responsiveness that required to success in a dynamic business environment. Thank you.